Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display product category name before product name in WooCommerce emails in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and we are going to display product category name before product name in WooCommerce email for admin or customer. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type PHP snippet, we click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see product category text, so you can add text according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So we are going to add product in cart, so click on add to cart, and after that open view cart and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page and then you see order. Now select payment method and then you see option enable this and then click on place order. Now you see order has been placed. Now go to Gmail to check. So we are in Gmail and then you see your admin order has been received. Now you see all detail and then you see product and then you see product category ceramic before product name. So this is our product name and this is our product category. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.